Hi there. The Millpu Pools, also known as the Pools of Millpu and Aguas Turquesas Millpu, are a stunning series of natural, turquoise-coloured lagoons that cascade through a steep and narrow gorge. The Millpu Pools are one of the best natural wonders in Peru, if not South America. You won't find the Millpu Pools in the tourist hubs of Cusco or Lima. You'll need to base yourself in the city of Ayacucho to see this amazing natural attraction. With that said, even once you're in Ayacucho, the natural Pools of Millpu are still a bit of a shlep to get to, but it's worth all of the effort. In our Millpu Pools blog post, we'll tell you everything you need to know about visiting this epic place. You can find the link to our blog post in the description below. Enjoy!